From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
We've had a few clouds around today, but we've been mostly clear, with most of the cloud cover staying down to the south over central Alabama with a subtropical jet disturbance, and then clouds to the north over the Ohio Valley with the front that eventually gets in here late week. So we've been mostly sunny, and because of that, we've been warm today up into the upper 70s, and a few folks flirting with the lower 80s. Here's the almanac for our studio location in Lawrenceburg. 78 was the daytime high today after starting at 41. No rainfall today, but that's going to be changing later into the week. Not a lot of rain, but it is looking more and more likely we will get a light little soaking of rain Thursday night into Friday. Here's the Futurecast breakdown starting this evening. Mostly clear skies out there, dropping out of the 60s into the 50s overnight. And then a few of our sheltered valley locations could make 48, 49, but I think most of us are going to be into the low to mid 50s by daybreak on our Tuesday. Plenty of sunshine and the southwest wind for Tuesday gets us up into the upper 70s and lower 80s for daytime highs before we fall back into the 60s during the evening. And then I think Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, forecast morning lows there will be into the upper 50s to near 60s. So we're getting milder as we get closer to the middle of the week. And I think everybody's into at least the lower 80s, if not mid 80s in a few spots on Wednesday as the southwest wind gets a little stronger ahead of that front that moves in Thursday and Friday. Showers start moving toward the area by afternoon on Thursday. Better chance of off and on periods of light to moderate rain Thursday night and Friday. No severe storms expected, nothing like that. But we could get a nice little light soaking of rain Thursday night and Friday. It won't bust the drought by any means, but it might help reduce the wildfire risk just a little bit, which is definitely good news. Latest rainfall total forecast from the National Weather Service has most all of the areas seeing at least a half an inch of rain over the next 7 days. So no drought buster by any means, but we'll take any rain that we can get. And there could be a few isolated areas that see closer to 3/4 of an inch. We'll see how that looks once we get a little closer to the end of the week and we get the higher resolution models in, but looking like a little light soaking coming up. And we haven't had much rain here for at least the past month or longer across the Tennessee Valley. Lower 80s, if not middle 80s in a few spots through Wednesday. Clouds and showers keep us in the 70s on Thursday, and then behind the front, Friday into the weekend, into the upper 50s and lower 60s for daytime highs with overnight lows back into the lower 40s. Your forecast for tonight looks like this, dropping out of the 70s into the 60s this evening, 50s overnight, and then most of us getting down into the low to mid 50s for morning lows around daybreak. But again, one or two locations could sneak down to 48 or 49 in our sheltered valley areas, and then upper 70s, lower 80s for daytime highs on our Tuesday, with plenty of sunshine and a breezy southwest wind of 10 to 15 miles per hour, maybe gusts as high as 15 to 20 at times. More of the same over northwest Alabama here. Plenty of sunshine, breezy southwest winds, and daytime highs in the upper 70s and the lower 80s. 7-day forecast breaks down like this. Mostly sunny and warm for Tuesday and Wednesday. A few more clouds there. Showers arriving during the afternoon on Thursday. Still on the warm side, seasonably so, but not nearly as warm as the next couple days. Then the front moves through, drops temperatures for Friday and the weekend, but a good chance of a light to moderate little soaking there. Not a whole lot of rain, but rain is likely Thursday night into Friday. And the possibility of a few showers on Sunday, but we're still working out the details on that. There's a lot of model disagreement right now. And then staying partly cloudy into early next week. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock with another check of your local weather.